I had a dream about you and me. Don't worry, you said. No more lies, only clarity. No more truth is left unsaid. We can do this. We can do this. And we can cut this beat and cut make a cat like this. And we can cut this beat and I can see your beats glistening. Grace released and curses concealed. Tell me, spirits, can you hear me? Are you listening? Is this a dream or is it real? We can